Hi everyone, let's solve this problem. Remove duplicates from sorter list 2. So the problem statement says we are given a sorter linked list and we need to delete all nodes that have duplicate values. So for example, we have this 1 2 3 3 4 4 5. We need to return 1 2 5. There was another variant also for this problem where we had to return 1 2 3 4 5. In this problem, what we do is we say okay, we need to keep our head pointer at the place where the new value we find. For example, in the first step my head should be here, right? And I need to take decision about this guy, and then my head will be here. I need to take decision about this guy, and once my head is there, right, I also take decision about this guy, which is not to keep it, and then I go to 4, and then I again make the decision to not to keep it, and for this guy also 5, right, and I reach this. So the idea is to reach at the places where I can make decision whether to ignore this value or not, and if I make the decision to ignore it, I will ignore it. So let's jump to the code. I think things will get more sense from there, because I don't know what I need to return, because head can also be a node which is duplicate. So let's create a guard node, right? So I say okay, there is this list node which starts at -1 and my writer is pointing at guard. All I say is while head is there, right? So this guy is pointing at some new value. I say okay, if not head dot next or not head dot, or what it means is okay, if I am the last guy, or head dot val is not equals to head dot next dot val, right? If they are the case, which means I was pointing at a new value and its value is either the last value or its value is not equal to the next value, I have to insert it at the writer. So I say writer is writer dot next has to take the value what head, and my writer will move on writer dot next, right? And I need to take the head to next position. Otherwise what I do is, oh, this value is a new value, and its next value is also the value which is my value, right, the current value. So I say okay, let's take this value which is head dot var, let's take the head to a place where my value is not equal to this val. So I say okay, while head and head dot val is equals to val, I keep moving head dot next, right? So now once I'm done, my head's value will be different, or I'll be at null, the head will be at the null position, right? So this is what we're doing, and once I'm done, I need to return guard dot next, which is what we need to return. But we have to finish the list also, right, what we were writing. Writer dot next should point to null. So let's see guys if it works. If it works, I'll re-explain the solution. Okay, let's submit it. Cool, it does. So let me re-explain it. What I'm trying to say is we will build a list and we don't know how to build it. So we'll create a guard node and a writer which starts pointing at the guard. And now head will always point at the new value, the first instance of the value. And it can make decision whether you want to keep it from that value itself. So for example, one he saw, okay, it has next value. Yes, it has, and it's different. Okay, I'll keep this value and move on next. So this guy has next value. Yes, it has, and it's different. And then I'll keep it in the answer. So 1 2 came in the answer. This guy has next, right? And its next is having the same value. So all I need to do is, now I'm in the else case, I pick this value. What is this value? It is 3. I need to take my head to this position. I took it where my value is not equals to 3. I reach here. In the next iteration again, I saw this guy has next, and yes, its next is also having the same value. Again I take it further and I reach here, and now this guy doesn't have next. It means it was a new value, but it was only a single instance. So 1 to 5 as an answer. So see you guys in next video.